Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jumbo Josh in kind of an action pose, so from the Garten of Banban. So follow along, it's going to be step-by-step for beginners, okay? So right now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to just draw a curve right there for the left side of his head. I'm going to go on the top here now and I'm going to curve over the top right here. So, okie doke. Curve along the side right here. Down, kind of like that curve down at the end. Down over here now to the shoulder. Curve down. It's like he's throwing his arm across, kind of like a gorilla would. Curve over here. Curve underneath here. For the thumb area, and then right there for his hand. It's kind of stepping forward a little bit like a gorilla. That's what I mean by an action pose. So right here we're gonna have his, like his lower body. It's kind of back there. Curve right here for his stomach area. Curve right here. Up. Line over here. So you got his hind leg. And his other hind leg over here slightly bent, but you don't have to do that. It kind of looks like a marshmallow. Line over here for his other arm. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find the front of his chest on this side. And then line right here. Okay, cool. So right now it looks like his front, giant hand is kind of like leaning forward, and his other one is behind there, as he's, kind of moving toward everybody. So far, so good, right? Okay. Now we're gonna go to his face, and I'm gonna start over here by drawing a line across the bottom. Curve over here. Curve over here. Line underneath. You got that open mouth right there, kind of that smile. Gonna go over here now. Circle. Circle. Alright. Gonna do another circle on the inside with the eyeball. Line over here. Line over here. Fill it out. Fill it out. And we're going to go into the teeth now. Line like that. See, it's kind of like these U shapes. Underneath here. Underneath. And then in the middle right here, we're going to fill that in. The reason we're going to do that is we want it to kind of, make it obvious that that's the inside of the mouth, right? Let me know what else you want me to see me draw on this channel, by the way. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw, I go over a lesson every single day. And so you can press subscribe and click the bell notification. And then you are going to be able to see all the stuff that's going on the channel here. I'm going to try to improve a lot of stuff as well. That's kind of something I'm going to trying to make a goal, is to kind of improve everything. But also check out the cute drawing ebook we have. It is in the description. Basically, it's if you want to learn how to draw something cute, it has to do with proportion. So for example, if you want to draw something cute, you would make maybe the eyes really big and maybe the nose small, right? Not just everything big or everything small. And I kind of go over that stuff step by step in a ebook. Very, very simple ebook. I think it's like 7 pages, and it's a visual ebook, so you don't really have to read anything. You just look at the chart, and you're like, oh, okay, I understand that. And so that's kind of where, you know, everything stems from. Line around the teeth. All right, cool, cool, cool. Now you can draw these thin lines right here, maybe along the edges, right there, like where things turn. And the reason to do that is because you want to show a little bit of dimension, like right here. Like you want to make it thinner than normal. And one of the last things I want to do here is draw a thick line around the outer edge of everything. So around the contour line, we're gonna draw thick lines right there on the contour. All right. Don't forget, hit the like button if you're a big fan of Garten of Banban. It is a really cool property. Gonna go right here. Just gonna continue to kind of go along the edges right here. Also, hopefully you're having a really great time. I was gonna say, he kind of reminds me of like a marshmallow. That's kind of one thing that he reminds me of. Check out the shorts. I'm gonna be putting up shorts like a couple times a week on lessons and stuff like that. So if you want general drawing lessons, you can go check out any link in the description. There's on my Skillshare. There's a lot of different sources to check out that. Whew. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing. Let me know again if there's any other characters you want to see drawn, and stick around for the Friday merger videos. Basically, I take 2 characters and I combine them into one kind of character. But if you like this, definitely hit that like, and also share the video if you can. If you share the video with a friend, helps out the channel and helps out the algorithm. Thank you so much. You are amazing. I hope this is easy for you, and I will talk to you in the next video. All right, see you later, art addicts. Art addicts, man, I should call you guys that. See you later, everybody, and talk to me in the description. Say what's up. I'm sorry, in the comment section. Say what's up. See you later.